Hi everybody, I am in my happy place. Here I am, the glass factory. Ladies and gentlemen that come to the workshops, we got to come here together. This is a field trip. Wow, we spent the nice night close by last night so we could come today. Oh my goodness, I need all the glass. And Morton is going to pick out glass right now. He's out getting a box for it from this scrap stuff. For me to make windows for the bathrooms on the doors. I'm excited about that because he always says you decide, so he's picking it out so you can't see through it. He's very worried about people being able to see through the glass, so watch for new windows. Oh my goodness, this is my cart so far. I'm still shopping. Look at this glass. Oh, I don't have my gloves on. They're on top of the cart. Look at these colors. Oh, so beautiful. There are so many beautiful pieces here. I want all of them. Bye.